What are the best exercise DVDs for weight loss? Because fitness is such big business, you can find exercise videos and DVDs by the dozen. But which are the best exercise DVDs for weight loss? That really depends on what you like. The best DVD for someone else might not be for you. What kinds of exercise do you like the best? Do you prefer walking or do you like to run? Do you use an exercise bicycle, or do you like to go swimming? Have you always wanted to try ballroom dancing? Or would you feel silly bouncing around in your living room? You need to ask yourself several of these questions to help you decide which exercise DVD will help you lose weight. The general answer is, however, that any DVD you use will help you. No matter what it is, as long as you use it, it will help you lose weight. That's because you'll be getting a certain amount of exercise each week. The problem is that if you don't like it, you're not going to use it. If you buy that weight loss exercise DVD that you can't keep up with and leaves you exhausted, how often are you going to put it in? You need to find one that you like and that you can do. The best way to do this is to hit your local library or video rental. You don't have to buy the DVD to try it. Rent or borrow a few and try them for a couple of weeks. You'll have at least one that you like better than the others. If none of them are standout favorites, then choose the one you like best and look for other DVDs that are similar. If your favorite DVD is an aerobic dancing weight loss workout, but you really don't like it that well either, you at least know what kind of exercise to look for. Because dancing DVDs are so varied today, you can find almost any kind of dance routine you like. If you rented several and the one you liked best was a belly dancing routine, but you don't really like it that well, try a hip-hop dancing DVD or salsa dancing DVD designed for weight loss. If you're more of the boxing, kickboxing and gym workout type, there are several weight loss DVDs that you'll enjoy. TAE-BO DVDs were the first of this kind to become popular, and they are still available. Maybe you're losing weight but you also want a workout to help you increase your strength and flexibility. These types of exercises are important, too. You can find yoga and Pilates DVDs that will lead you through excellent routines. There are many of these workouts to help you lose weight. You can even buy exercise DVDs that lead you through a walking-in-place workout in front of your television. There really is something for everyone. The most important thing to remember is that the best exercise DVDs for weight loss are the ones that you will use on a regular basis.